Check out this Kia 2020 Sorento 2.4 LLX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 185 horsepower, 2.4L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.